On Friday, we saw a huge market crash, and this can be a good time for investors who want to make a lot of money because there are some stocks that are at a very good value, and it's maybe a good time to pick some shares. So I'm going to review some of those stocks, but what I'm going to do in this video, I'm just going to review one of the stocks, and I'm going to do a series of many stocks. So for example, the stock I'm going to talk about today, check the price target is 22.75. At the price it is today, it's around like $15. That's a 45.76, so about 46% upside. Very good. So imagine if you put your $10,000 today, within a 12 months period, your $10,000 will turn into $15,000 because that's a 50%, right? So we're going to look at analyst consensus. It's a buy, meaning most analysts say this stock is, of course, is a bargain. You should just buy this stock, right? We look at the vote. Only 2 of analysts who analyze this stock say it's a sell. If you look at 8 of them say holders, meaning if you are investing in this stock, just don't sell, don't buy more, just hold. And we look at a buy, 4 of them saying buy. And if we look at a strong buy, there are 3 of them. So you can see there are 3 and there are 4. That makes it 7 of them either buy or strong buy. But there are a lot of them also say just hold. If you are holding this stock, don't worry about the thing. It has good numbers. And I'm going to show you those numbers. And number of those analysts were 17 of them. According to 17 analysts, the average rating for SoFi stock is a buy. The 12 months stock price target is 22.75, which is an increase of 45.74 from the latest price. Latest price being of last Friday. So before I show you the numbers and tell you why SoFi is a buy at the moment, we want to know what SoFi does. SoFi Technologies Inc. provides various financial services in the United States, Latin America, Canada, and Hong Kong. The company operates through 3 segments: lending, technology platforms, and financial services. It offers a lending and financial services and product that allows its members to borrow, save, spend, invest, and protect money, and personal loans, student loans, home loans, and related services. It also operates a Galileo technology platform that offers a service to financial and non-financial institutions, and Technisys, a cloud native digital and core banking platform that provides software license and associated services, including implementation and maintenance. In addition, it provides SoFi Money, offers a checking and saving accounts and cash management product, a mobile-first investment platform that offers access to a trading and advisory solution, such as investing in robo-advisory, and SoFi Crypto, a new digital asset trading platform. As you can see here, SoFi, it has a lot of segments within finance sector, so it's a pretty good. So let's look at other numbers that are very impressive for SoFi. If you look at the market cap right now, is 20 billion. That's a 45% up. Of course, the stock has gained since it was at like $7, $8, $9, $10. If we look at the revenue, has increased by 41% at 3.91 billion. Net income has increased also from their latest report, and that's 576 million, and that's about 20% up from last report. EPS increased by 5%, 0.44. Share outstanding is 1.28 billion. And if you look at the price target, as I've shown you, is 22.75. So that to me is a buy. Better, it's a 2.13. This is how much the volatile the stock is compared to S&P 500. So far, it's very volatile. So if you are investing in this stock, of course, you have to bear in mind it's going to be very volatile. So it can swing from 10% to 10% either way, up or down. S&P 500 being a 1, meaning if the stock is like 1, Home Depot, Costco, those are very sturdy and they don't have the big move as this stock. But again, the more volatile the stock it is, usually it can be a good sign that, first of all, is a liquid, and second, they are more of a growth stocks and they can have a huge upside. The price of today, that's a closing price of Friday, is 15.61. So if you buy at 15, this stock can be a $20 stock within just a few months. The industry of this stock is a credit service, and a sector is financials. Founded in 2011, employs 6,100 within those 3 places, of course, United States, Latin America, and Canada. Stock exchange is traded on NASDAQ, and ticker symbol is SoFi, SOFI. And if you want to know more about this company, you can go to their website, www.sofi.com. So here's a chart comparing growth of revenue versus earnings. So you can see in 2021, they had a revenue growth, but their earnings were negative over 5 million, almost a quarter a billion. In 2022, they had negative earning, but their revenue were up by 55%. In 2023, revenue up, in the earning were down 341. So as you can see, actually, this is a really good sign because check this. It was 5 million loss, right? Earning negative, right? If you look at here, it's a little bit less. And in 2023, from 360, here it went up 341. So it kept going down, but the revenue kept growing. In 2024, huge growth in revenue and earning in positive for almost a half a billion. And in 2025, as you can see here, they had a huge revenue growth and their earning keep growing too. This is a good sign. It just keeps going up. This shows you that this stock has done really well from where it was losing money in 2021 to where right now is making a lot of money. So guys, in this video, I just want to give you a quick update on SoFi and why this stock is a buy. On this channel, I always talk about income-oriented ETFs, but now and then I like to review individual stocks that have potential for huge growth because for some people, it could be a good idea to blend your portfolio between income ETFs and growth stocks. That way, you're going to have that balance, especially if you're young, because you need some income a little bit, but also you need a huge growth in your portfolio. So that's all I have for today, guys. Thank you very much for watching, guys. If you found value in this video today, make sure you subscribe and hit the thumb up. And also, if you know anyone wants to know more about finances, make sure you share with that person. Again, thank you very much. I'll catch you next video that I'm going to make very soon. Bye bye.